Alright guys, we're back under the Cruze diesel here. We have a pretty bad oil leak today. I think it's coming from the rear main seal. You can see it's pretty wet and it's just moving along down here towards the rear of the car. Let's get a better look around back here. As you can see, it's dry up top here, but it's seeping, I believe, around this side, dripping down bottom of the oil pan and over here towards the drain plug. But it's a mess. This is the second oil leak we've had in this car. The first was from an oil pan gasket, which that's taken care of. It's nice and dry. But this rear main seal is leaking pretty good. So I went out and bought this AT205 reseal. It's supposed to stop leaks fast. We'll see what happens. I'm going to give it a try before I go ahead and get that rear main seal replaced. I figured I'd give it a shot. Never used it before. So you can use this in trannies, rear differentials, power steering, any hydraulic system. You just can't use it in brake systems, brake lines. So you just pour this in there. This whole bottle is 8 ounces. It'll treat 6 quarts. So we have about 4.5 in the Cruze, so I won't use the whole bottle. So I'm going to give it a week and see what happens. Okay, you can see my oil level is low. So I'm going to go ahead and add this, and I should be okay. I won't overfill the crankcase, but it doesn't say on here to drain oil before you fill it up or anything like that, but I'd do it to be on the safe side because you don't want to overfill your crankcase. Alright, I'm going to add this in now. I'm not going to add the whole bottle. Looks to be like a clear watery type fluid. And unfortunately, they don't have a sight gauge on the side. You can see how much you have left, but it feels like I got about 1 ounce left. So we'll go ahead and give this a try, see what happens. Hopefully it works, but I don't have any faith in it. Alright, it's been about 2 weeks since I've added this to the engine oil, and everything was good up until today. I had no spots on the garage floor, but we just came back from a drive, and you can see I have an oil spot there. So it worked for a little while, but if you crawl under here, you can see it's wet around this side, around the back here. So it looks like I definitely have a rear main seal leak. Unfortunately, the AT205 didn't stop it completely, but it slowed it. Like I said, it worked for about 2 weeks without any oil on the garage floor. But it might work for you guys, depending on how bad your leak is. You can try it, it won't hurt. So give it a shot. And let me know how it works for you guys, if it does at all or what happens. I didn't have any faith in it. I kind of figured this is what would happen. So, but you never know until you try. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and feel free to comment and subscribe. Take care.